It's St. Patrick's Day, so let's make a green cocktail. Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome back to another episode of Casually Drinking. Today's episode, we're going to be making a green cocktail in honor of St. Patrick's Day, hence the green. Which one, you're probably asking? Well, the green cocktail we're going to be making is a Midori sour. This very green drink was popular in the 80s and 90s. While there are many variations of this classic drink, the recipe I chose has orange bitters, which is one of the modifications of the classic Midori sour recipe. You don't have to add orange bitters if you don't want to. You can even make it your own. In fact, you can add some Sprite in there if you want to. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Let's get some mixing. And there you have it, the green Midori sour. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like what you're seeing on this channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to comment down below what kind of drinks you love to see me make. As always, see you on the next one.